Worst food combinations with milk. Let's think about this together. We've all had milk with citrus fruits, banabas, chocolate, maybe even fish. But did you know some combinations can quietly harm your digestion and reduce nutrient absorption? Today, we'll break down the worst food combinations with milk, backed by both modern digestive science and traditional wisdom, so you can protect your gut and get the most from every glass. 1. Citrus fruits plus milk, curdled digestion. Example: orange juice or lemon with milk. Here's why this combination is bad. Citrus fruits are highly acidic. When that acid meets milk, the milk proteins curdle, turning into small clumps inside your stomach. This not only slows digestion, but can cause bloating, gas, and nausea. Think of it like mixing vinegar with milk. Your stomach reacts the same way. Why it works. Milk contains casein, a protein that's sensitive to acid. When acid from citrus hits it, casein coagulates, making it harder to digest. Real-life tip: if you enjoy both, have your milk at least 1 hour before or after citrus fruits. 2. Bananas. What milk, toxic heaviness. Example: banana milkshake, a popular breakfast combo. Sounds healthy, right? But here's the hidden truth. According to Ayurveda and supported by some digestive studies, banana and milk together are heavy for the stomach. This duo increases mucus formation and slows down your digestive fire, making you feel sluggish after a few hours. Why it works. Bananas ferment quickly in the gut. When combined with milk's slow-digesting proteins, it creates a mismatch in digestion speed, causing bloating and toxins called AMA in Ayurveda. Real-life tip. 1. If you love banana milkshakes, add cinnamon or cardamom. They help balance digestion and reduce heaviness. 3. Dark chocolate plus milk. Blocked nutrients. This may surprise many. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants called flavonoids, known for supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. But when you add milk, its proteins are bound to these flavonoids, making them harder for your body to absorb. Why it works. Research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that milk reduces the antioxidant availability of cocoa. So, that milk chocolate bar may taste good, but offers fewer heart benefits than dark chocolate alone. Real-life tip: if you enjoy chocolate milk, try plant-based options like almond milk. It interferes less with antioxidants. 4. Fish plus milk, digestive overload. This one's a little controversial. Many traditional systems, including Ayurveda, warn against eating fish with milk. While modern science doesn't show direct toxicity, both are protein-heavy and require different digestive enzymes. Combining them can overburden the stomach, leading to heaviness or skin sensitivity in some people. Why it works. Digesting milk needs enzyme lactase, while fish needs proteases. Mixing both slows the process and may cause discomfort for those with weak digestion. Real-life tip: keep at least a 3-hour gap between fish and dairy to avoid bloating or indigestion. 5. Final thought. So, the next time you reach for milk, remember, it's best enjoyed solo or with light foods like oats, nuts, or turmeric. Your gut will thank you with better digestion, more energy, and fewer bloated days. What's your go-to milk combination? Have you ever felt bloated after a banana milkshake? Share your experience below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me.